Welcome back to Toyota and Dodge Garage. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean out the sunroof drains on the 2004 Toyota 4Runner. So let me show you first what the symptoms were that let me know that it was leaking, and then I'll also show you the tools that are needed. I went to the car wash, and right towards the end of it I noticed some water kind of coming in right here around the edges. So today I'm going to show you how to clean out the sunroof drains, which are in each corner. So let's get up there. I'll open the sunroof and we'll take a look at it. The tools I'll be using today is a bicycle shift cable. It's pretty flimsy, so it's not gonna like poke a hole in the tubes, and it's pretty thin, so that works pretty good. And just a bottle of water. Up here on the roof of the 4Runner, let me bring you in down here. I've already got my cable going in to the hole. You can see the cable going in, and you're just gonna run it down into that hole. You can kind of, jiggle it back and forth if there's any kind of clogs, and you just keep running it down through. So I got the cable pretty much all the way through. No more clogs. Now, pull the cable out. So then once you get the cable run through and you feel like you've got all the clogs out, you're just going to take a bottle of water and pour it down through the hole very slowly. You don't want it to leak into your car, but I'll show you that. And then I'll show you how it comes out at the bottom to make sure that you got it cleaned out. So, let me show you. So now you just pour the water in. You see it drain out that hole right there. And see a little bit more. Drain right out of that hole. And now, let me show you what it does at the bottom of the car so you can see that it comes out. Once you see this water dripping out from under your car, well, you know that you've got your sunroof drains cleaned. And you just repeat the process on the other side. And once you get the drains cleaned, you're going to want to put some like petroleum jelly, or also known as Vaseline, in the track a little bit to help keep everything lubricated and working properly. And you can also put like that petroleum jelly right here on the sunroof seal to keep it, nice and lubricated, so it'll seal nice and properly. Thank you again for watching another video on my channel.